I've been hanging on, counting days, thinking it was me all along. Had a million conversations in my head about where it went wrong. And I've got no idea where you've been, who you are, not anymore. All I got is this Polaroid picture of us from June 24th. It's where I kissed you for the first time, laid on your sheets. You gave me your heart and said you trusted with me, but all I did was let you down time and time again. It wasn't my intention, maybe we should have been friends. So, you're someone I used to know, but nobody said it'd be easy. But maybe I should've known. One more drink, just swallow it down. I gotta get you out of my mind.
Kuyashisa, like, it's hot. It's blazing hot. I'm now in South Africa. It's hot. I was in Botswana. It was hot. I was in Zimbabwe. It was hot, guys. Like, umuntu nje kwamela sishwi asi London, you know, just to feel in -4 degrees, or asi Canada, just to see how does -1 feel. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm officially back in South Africa, and like I said, it's hot, but I think today's weather report said that at some point it's going to like rain. If there's any background noise you're hearing, it's from my washing machine. I'm like doing laundry. I make sure that I come back with a lot of clean clothes, that way I just pack, fold properly, and then like put them in my cupboard. But like there's a few that are dirty and the stuff that I was wearing, and yeah. Hi, it's hot. I'm even thinking that it's this that I'm wearing. It's this cute two-piece from Woolworths. I bought it like on Friday before I left, or the day before I left at Woolworths. It's beautiful. I love it. It's so cute. I look absolutely stunning in it. I'll show you guys. I want to go buy the pink one. I hope it's there, like at this Woolies here in Joburg, because Botswana always has clothes that you don't really find in South Africa, because so they don't just buy everything and it all sells out. You see someone wearing something, oh, I bought it yesterday, you go there, it's gone, it's sold out. But yeah, it's probably why it's hot. So because I'm back, I need to do a grocery run. I'm not good, like, guys, like my fridge is empty. There's just one egg. I guys know how I left one egg, but there's just one egg in the fridge. And I have to go do my nails, well, my toes, so I have to go get a pedicure done, because the last time I did it was like after Christmas. Was it before Christmas? But like late in December, and it's grown out. It looks terrible, so I have to go and get it done. Not sure about my hands though. I don't know. My nails are very short. After I did the soak off, I was like cutting them because my nails grow quickly. So now I don't know if I want to do my hands yet. Most shops close early, so I have to make it quick. One thing is that I cannot find the cable for my battery charger. My battery charger, my camera's charger. I can't find the cable, and I don't know where I left it. I think I remember packing it from Zim, going to Bots, but the thing is, the day I got to Bots, I got there later in the evening. I was packing my clothes out of the suitcase I came with from Zim into another suitcase, because we're going away to the bush lodge. And I remember seeing certain things, and in my head I'm like, I'm not gonna need you because I didn't take my camera with, so you can stay. But now I can't find those things, and I didn't have a day where I locate my things, because I remember even the day I was packing on Friday. That Friday we left to go buy things, this being one of them. And then we got back home about 7 episodes. Then that's when I started packing. There's a lot of things I couldn't find, but I was tired, so I was like, I'm just gonna pack what I can see. So I don't even know if that cable is in Zimbabwe, it's in Botswana. I asked them to check, but I actually have to buy another one because I'm here, so I can't wait for them to send it even if they find it, because I have content to shoot this week. If you're Zimbabwean or you are familiar with Zim, and you know the foods there, and you've eaten some of it, which of course is not everywhere in the world, you start missing certain things. So every time when I go to Zim, I always make sure that I bring something for myself and my friends. So the first thing I brought, I've opened this packet already, it's things. These things are called things. Let me show you guys how they look like. They taste so good. Like, we used to eat them, and I came with 2 bottles. Some people say this is better than Oros, others say Oros is better than Mazoe. I think you just have to try it, and you have to get the original because a lot of people don't have the original. This is 50% orange. It's even written here. When you go to like any spa in South Africa or even in Botswana, it's not the original one. And I realized that when we were buying this in Zim, because I came with it from Zim all the way to Bot and then here, we bought 2. But the second one is different from that. The packaging, this one is saying bottled by Coca-Cola Beverages in Zambia. It's a Coca-Cola product, by the way. This one is Zim. So I'm gonna assume this is the same, so I'm gonna try. I removed it out of the original packaging because I'll show you how the packaging looks like because it's easy for me to pack. Cervita, this is the vanilla one flavor. This one is the chocolate malt. These are they're not even mine. I'm just gonna give them to people that asked me to bring because I've had a lot of it. I even took some to bots that I was having when I was in bot, so it's fine. But nice. I hadn't had them in a long time. I even forgot that I've had this biscuit. They're fine though. They're not like the best, but they still taste good. Lastly, it says avocados from my mom's avocado tree in Zim. I just decided to take some. Honestly, I haven't had avocados from the tree in years, and my mom wants to cut it down, and I'm not happy about it, guys. I will do a petition to save the tree. She actually used to have so many trees, but she cut most of them down. But yeah, let me get my day started. Dead. This one, alive. How are you still here?
You, I don't want you to have anyone. And if you don't want me, there's something wrong with them, right? Maybe I got problems that I don't tell anyone. Have I lost my perception? Feel like I wanna do something wrong now. Packing all your belongings. Say you wanna take some time, but if you say we'll meet again, why'd you have to take everything now? Baby, are you lying? Have you met someone? Tell me now. I better start crying, make them feel bad before we leave town. 10, 9, counting down, putting on a smile. 8, 7, 6, 5. You say goodbye, lock the door for 3, 2, 1, and then I lose it. I'm delusional, you say, and then I lose it. I'm delusional, you say. Why hasn't he called me back? It's been 3 days. Stalking his Instagram, saying he's in a phase. So now you're telling everyone that we're drifting apart. Now I know that it was you who made me feel so messed up. Hanging out with new females, cute, but are they even real, man? Jealousy, I think it's jealousy, but hell with it, still a good melody. Or maybe I got problems that I don't tell anyone. Have I lost my perception? Feel like I wanna do something wrong now. 10, 9, counting down, putting on a smile. 8, 7, 6, 5. You say goodbye, lock the door for 3, 2, 1, and then I lose it. I'm delusional, you say.
I've used the pink one. I'm gonna try this one and see how I feel about it.
damaged. One man's trash is another man's baggage. Slow you down, I ain't going nowhere. Spacesuit on, can't breathe this air. TNT going off in here. Ain't we up there? Cause you always wanna touch me. My thorns will leave you bleeding. That's why I'm always leaving. Believe me, cause you always wanna touch me. My thorns will leave you bleeding. That's why I'm always leaving. Believe me. One more shot, one more round. Take my hits, pound for pound. Promise I'll let you down. One more shot, one more round. Don't step on my rose petals. Don't step on my rose petals.
I finally finished undoing my hair. It took me forever. I was so annoyed, I was tired, but like listening to music while doing it did help me a lot. It did help a lot. I realized that because I want to leave the house quickly to just buy a few things I forgot to get izolo, I just removed all the braids, and then the front I still have to remove the knots around the hairline and just a little bit dip. So yesterday I did the grocery shopping, and then I went to Woolworths to buy a few items. I didn't plan on buying, but like I was there getting my vegetables because I buy all my fruits and vegetables from Woolworths, and then Checkers, it's the rest of the stuff. These are stunning. I think this was the last medium. Ugh, man, love them so much. I could not guess it, that's why I'm like standing outside. It actually just left because it's like 4 o'clock, so my schedule is 4 to 6:30 for today. These are the shorts. These are so pretty. I love them so much. The original price is 400. They were going for that much, and then they went on for, these are the most beautiful loafers in Mhlabeni. Just look at them. I've always wanted a pair of loafers, but I could never like get the ones that I really like, or if I did, they were like very pricey. So on Friday when I was still in Botswana and I was shopping with my little sister, I saw this. I bought them. Actually saw them like 2 days before. We were just like doing grocery shopping. I was like, those loafers are pretty, I want them. So when we went back on Friday, I bought them. They're also like priced down. The initial price is 580 pula, but I think that's like 580 rand if you bought them here, because I noticed that even the pajamas that I bought here are the same amount as the time when I bought them in Bots, because it was 179 here, it was 179 in Botswana, and then they were going for 330. Actually this tag says 330, but at the till it was 285. The quality, I put them on and it was like, so excited. I'm just showing you guys because I didn't show you guys that. And lastly, I bought this top, which I think is amazing. It's metallic green. I love the stretch material. I like these type of ribbed tops. I'm sure you guys have seen me wear like 2, 3, maybe more than that. I think I have quite a lot. Is it stunning? They have a heater? Is it written that? uNkulunkulu wathi eyenza mina emhlabeni wavela wabona ukuthi ya wavela wabona ukuthi ya. I forgot that there's music playing in the background, and YouTube it'll be like copyright music. Then now, yeah. Oh, Nkosi yami. Yes, it was so hard waking up in the morning. Plus, I guess you had your load shedding 8 to 10:30, eh? Mine was like at 6 to 8:30.
Why did I think mine is at 6?
No, that was mine. That's why I sent you a screenshot of your timetable.
You showed me a screenshot of your time.
I forgot my tripod, but this seems to be working. Are you enjoying this book? Are you enjoying this book? What they don't teach you at Harvard Business School. Yes, the weather I said go back. I said go back. It's just I don't know. See where you're coming from. Your weather could be something else. Your hot is 5 degrees. Me, my hot is 3 degrees. So I don't know.
Today's warm. It was 7. 7 degrees.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As I haven't vlogged or done videos in a minute, I don't even know how it feels like. It said to me, where is that DM? Okay, she said to me, hi there, please call. We are load shedding at the moment and the phone is down with the computer. Please try again later. Pricing starts from 200 Rand a person upward. It includes the use of paint, the brushes and the disposable aprons. But I think 200 Rand is for a small frame. I think for the one that I have, how much did I pay? I don't remember. You probably didn't even notice the frame that I have at home, the painting I did, the funny one. And then I asked her about sip and paint. She just read the message, or he just read the message, they didn't respond.
She never responded.
Driver, please stop. Please stop. I need to tell my subscribers that when people go to Europe, they stay for how many months? Is that eating pop? How many? What month? How many months? 3 months?
3 months at least.
See?
3 months.
When people go to Europe, they don't eat pop. And then now, that's the face thing that they want, so.
It could be more than that, I'm sure 3 months ahead.
Is the meat in the deep freezer?
That's what it is.
Okay.
Do you have Stevie Martin shade?
Chain?
Shade?
No, I have a bag.
That's very
Yeah, I must have been at my classes that was Steve Maiden.
The what?
At my classes, do they have a shades collection? Steve Maiden?
Yeah.
Really? I just have a Steve Maiden bag. And I saw that yours is also Steve Maiden, the grey one, the backpack.
I thought that Stevie Martin shade.
I wish I had Steve Maiden shades, but I don't.
This cross back for you.
It's for me! Okay. This is for me. This is pretty. Yo, ooh, this is nice. I like the color. I like that. Look, Steve made it.
Steve Martin.
Yes. Guys, if my camera falls, I will fall with it. Thank you. Awesome. What do you mean smaller than a bag? Guys, get friends who relocate to another continent and then they just buy you nice things. No, this is pretty. Let's see.
If you like it.
Of course I love it. If I don't like it, that's a personal problem. That's a personal problem. Glasses, anything, it works, it looks pretty, so.
It's like getting for my sister.
Yes, we have the same thing. This face wash, we have the same one.
This is how
I use Cetaphil, but mine is the pepper one.
also you said for living of my
Body cream. Okay.
All I follow me.
You follow my YouTube channel. Thank you. Thank you for following my YouTube channel. Huh?
I don't just follow, I follow and learn.
And learn, yes. That's my mom this other day. What's he give me? Yeah, ngiyakhe zinto zami salon ngifuna bangidetangle. I'm like, how do you know? She's like, how? I follow your channel, so I learned about detangling. I'm like, okay. Yeah. Because you didn't tell me. Ipapa liphekwa nini?
Ipapa That's it.
Is it a today thing? Is it a tomorrow thing? I know I'm asking.
Today.
Today? Okay, it's fine. I know. But it isn't, the quality is not the same with the pictures. That's the problem. So it's okay.
No, iPhone is good, yeah, but
Let's see. Yeah, but you can also play around with the lighting, I'm sure, babe.
It needs extra lighting, like.
I've noticed something about the iPhone, right? When you're in the house or Ipsu, the lighting is not as. But when you're outside and there's the sun,
I've been hanging on, counting days. Had a million conversations in my head about where it went wrong.
this one reads, "It is what it is."
I've got no idea where you've been, who you are, not anymore. All I got is this Polaroid picture of us.
That one in the middle looks like she's dancing. The other. But this is beautiful. Yes, yeah, I can see it. It's like they're running. Like you see here. Yeah. See? With the blue. Even not to pet or something. This is beautiful. And here there's two people as well. Yes, there's this, and then there's another one here, and there's the head, and then there's the head. Yeah, and then from afar, you can see that there's actually more than one person. It's beautiful. I think maybe the same artist with that one is the same artist with that one. Don't you think?
Yeah.
It's giving the same I stay taken vibe and feeling. Like, actually they did the painting on top of the map of something else.
How we used to walk those empty streets at night. In the city lights is where I saw you for the last time. Said our goodbyes, sat in the car. You saw the pain in my eyes, but I just couldn't let you down time and time again. It wasn't my intention. Maybe we should have been friends.
This is amazing.
So you're someone I used to know, but nobody said it'd be easy. But maybe I should have known. One more drink to swallow it down. I gotta get you out of my mind.
Lights according to like where I am, and then it will be like taking very nice videos. I'll show. I think you saw the videos of me, the sunset pictures when I was in Port.
Yeah, it's old.
Exactly. It's the same thing that I did. Okay, so here it's just restaurant.
It's a nice tip.
Okay. I don't know, maybe in Manchester. Huh?
Oh, we have Starbucks.
Wow. Actually, I didn't think about it. We can go to Starbucks and grab something nice to nibble on as we walk around. What are you thinking? Okay, we can go. Okay. Too much bed. That's why when you say, I need an iPhone, and you guys keep laughing. Because it uses up too much storage on when I'm doing videos, because it records in 8K. So it uses up way too much. You see, because the quality goes with the whole thing.
It takes a lot of makeup.
Yep. Yep. There's one thing that I like here.
Yeah. Empty bottles of red wine laying on the floor from last night. We got a little drunk. Yeah. Now I'm a little numb. Spending hours by your bedside, talking till it's dark out somehow. Can get you off my mind. Don't wanna say goodbye, bye, bye, bye. Maybe we should take it slow. I don't feel too comfortable jumping into something new right now. Yeah, I don't really know anymore how to feel something again. wanna go all in. I don't really know anymore how to be more than your friend. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. Early mornings in your dome, I be sneaking out the door while the sun rises. Cause I ain't got the time, yeah, can't tell another lie. And baby, I know you want more than this, but you know I can't afford your kiss. So I'm staying for the night, but then I gotta say goodbye, bye, bye. Maybe we should take it slow. I don't feel too comfortable jumping into something new right now. I don't really know anymore how to feel something again. Think I'm just
Customs are almost the same price as ordering. Yeah, let's see how much it is here. I'm serious. This is 500 rand. I got 11 products. They cost me 1.45. 11 products, all of this. Yeah. And then customs is like 1.2. So my friend paid for customs, I paid for the products. I'm serious. See, so some of these we don't have. These are not local. These are from there. So when I'm guessing this is expensive because it also includes, I have this at home. It also includes.
How much is it?
This is 400. I would definitely wear these ones.
Different. That's when you know some of your own hair.
See, and they're high as well, so it's platforming. I like it. I saw this on their website. They look nice, no?
Very nice.
I saw the content.
Now this one is coming, it's dropping on the 11th of February.
Yeah.
I'm getting this one on the 11th of February. I think it's 200 pounds, it's 199. You know they're so expensive in South Africa. And I thought
But then again, when Chef Life or Share Shop, when they drop there,
I was at all Simon and Lapa when I was like, they line up for the shoes.
Yeah.
So
Oh, you're
it's Shelf
thinking it's
Life,
just dropping.
it's Shesha, I forgot the other one. They do that.
people will wake up.
I know your body, I know your heart. Your eyes told me from the start, but then you fall back. Giving me signs that I've seen before. Yeah, it's cute, but honey, I want more. Don't waste no more time. No. There's no use playing hard to get. I figured you out, but you don't know it yet. So take off your mask. Yeah. Love is just around the corner, babe. To do what we want, I wanna get in shape with you all night. All night. Imagine us there. Imagine us there. Imagine us there. All night. There's something that I need from you. Don't act like you don't have a clue. You don't have to wait for it tonight. You don't have to be so damn polite. No, you love the game, but I don't wanna play. I know there's time, but I don't wanna wait. Promise I won't bite.